If you are still entering trades based on one bullish signal, you are putting yourself at serious risk. I used to do the same, until I realized confidence means nothing without understanding. I was making decisions without seeing what truly moved the market. Once I learned what I am about to share, my confidence changed completely. Tip number 1. Use the free tool on CoinGlass and check how volume and liquidity behave in your time zone before you enter a trade. New York, London, and Hong Kong sessions shift liquidity and volume at different times. Once I aligned my trading hours with session opens and closes, I stopped being surprised by sudden moves. Tip number 2. Always adapt your strategy when market conditions change. Unexpected news can turn a calm range into a sudden breakout. I paid the price when I tried to force a breakout strategy at the wrong moment. When the market shifts, your strategy must shift with it. Tip number 3. As you can see on my screen, I use multiple screens and several indicators. This allows me to keep an eye on Bitcoin, XRP, Bitcoin dominance, and USDT dominance, while tracking overall market sentiment, price strength, and how money moves between different assets. I can also switch between different altcoins while keeping all my chart settings intact. Over time, this setup helped me understand where the money was truly flowing, rather than simply reacting or guessing. Once you start doing this, you will notice things that other traders overlook. Tip number 4. Read market structure before relying on indicators. Structure showed me the trend long before any indicator did. When you truly understand structure, indicators start making sense instead of creating confusion. Tip number 5. Enter trades only when multiple signals align. I became more consistent the moment I stopped entering on a single confirmation. When structure, volume, and my preferred tools point in the same direction, my entries feel calm and controlled, not rushed. Now be honest with me, which mistake have you made the most? Trading blindly, forcing strategies, or entering without Confluence? Share it in the comments, and I will do my best to get back to you. Subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell, because I post 2 new tutorials like this every week. And follow me on X for daily free crypto news updates. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned, because in my next tutorial, I will share more ways to master crypto trading like a pro.